guys, video for our new air cooler. They work it very good when it's over 30 degrees. But the next time I will buy an air cooler tower for this direction. But for the moment it was very cheap. For 20 euro I was paid. So for the moment it's okay, but the next time I buy a bigger one. But this little one works very good. The air condition works perfect. It's very nice when it's over 30 degrees, like in the moment. It's very hot outside. I think 31, 32 degrees, and yeah, this one is working very nice. Also this ventilator for the shack, so fantastic way for a little bit air condition. So I think in the room is around 22 degrees in the moment, 22, 23, so perfectly. Yeah, a little new video. 73 guys, thank you for watching all my videos. And thank you for so much subscriber in the moment. 551 is very nice. Thank you for all new subscriber. 73.